Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Today what we got is helicopters. Due to the demands, I actually decided to make another video for the helicopters. The couple other videos that I did really well, and a lot of people will request more. So we did a video for this guy. This was the Blade 70, and this was excellent beginner helicopter. And after you already know how to fly this and you master it, now it's time to go to the real deal. So what we got here, this is the new Blade. This is the Nano S2. So what it is, this one have a collective pitch, so it means that you can control the blade up and down. And it's actually have a, what they call crash protection. After you set it up on your remote, this will be able to actually, on a flip of a switch, kind of save you for a bad situation. And it's designed to fly inverted flight and do a couple other aerobatic maneuver. Let's open it up and see what there is in this tiny little box. So it's packed really nice, so if it gets shipped to you, most likely you will get it in one piece, and it's come with a 3-volt battery, 3.7 volt, 150 milliamp. It's actually packed really nice, and those things still very gentle when you put them out from the box. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go and bind this thing. This is so tiny. I'm gonna go and bind this, and then I need to set up the program. Now, when you buy those helicopters, it's actually come with a small instruction book that tell you how to do everything, because here they have a collective pitch. Let me bring it close. Let's see, right there. You see right there, this little thing, it's called swash plate. The swash plate control with those tiny mini servos here, and what it does is bring it up and down, and then those blade changing the angle. So the blade will do this kind of thing, and then it's gonna go up or down. And then when you have inverted flight, it will go inverted, it will push the air down. So you're gonna fly it this way. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Now, to open those helicopters, all you need to do is actually just pull those cover gently, okay? Those PETG material, this Lexan or whatever they're making it from today. Those bodies are very gentle, so you have, when you pull it out, be gentle with it. You can tear it out so easily. Those things are super gentle. And you see, this is actually your helicopter. I just wanted to show it real quick. This is your receiver, and this little thing over here, this is kind of your control board, believe it or not. And it's have inside like all your gyros, and here you have all the connectors for the servos, the power supply, and the motor for going for the front. This is your front motor right there. And then you have the motor that going to the tail section right there. So this is actually how the helicopter look like when you remove the plastic canopy from it. And this one is a two-piece canopy. It's actually kind of weird why they even did something like this, but it's a two-piece canopy. See inside, it's taped together. It's not one PETG material. This will be your helicopter. Look like a weird machine. Please remove this paper sticker here that say that this is for 14 years and older. You really need it away from there in order to be able to fly it and have less stuff interrupting with your landing. Let me put it together, bind it, and I'm going to show you how it's fly. So we have here a small hiccup. I really wanted to go and fly this beautiful helicopter right now. I can fly it inside, but I wanted to show you like how to fly it outside. But we have a major problem. This is the problem. Let's see if it's gonna zoom in. Yes, you see right. We are in Los Angeles, California, in Granada Hills. It is 115 degrees outside. Please do not run any of your RC stuff in this weather. The lithium batteries not designed to work on those temperatures. Please do not fly, do not drive your car, boat, nothing. You have to keep your batteries inside protected right now. This is way too hot to start the temperature for the battery. So it's good it's happened, because I really want to show one day something like this, and it's just crazy. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 117. We're gonna be melted down. I should sell ice cream instead of hobby stuff. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and press the little bell icon, because what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna wait a couple of days and just go and fly it for you guys. See you on my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. I have a couple other new videos coming. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We're giving couple RC cars and airplanes, but if you guys don't press the like button and write a comment, you will never win. Bye.